Good morning, students. I'm Louisine, teacher. I will be teaching you EVS, that is Environmental Studies, for this year. I hope you are fine over there. I'm also fine over here. Be fresh now. I will sing for you. Chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within. Curly hair, very fair, that is the face. Eyes are blue, lovely too. Everybody's pet, is that you? Yes, 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 yes. Now, happy? Now today I will be teaching you this chapter 1, that is our body, or you can say my body. Okay. Now you have learned all the body parts last year. Your teacher has taught you, last year's teacher has taught you the body parts and you know it very well. But this year I will be teaching you little bit more. Okay. Now you have the body parts like external body parts. They are eyes, nose, ears, lips, hands, legs. Okay, these are all called external body parts which we can see. So you can see the eyes, you can see the nose, you can see the ear, you can see the hands, you can see also the legs. Now with eyes we can see, nose we can smell, ear you can hear. Okay, now tongue, inside tongue also is there. So that tongue also can be taste. You can have a taste. Then you have hands for playing, fighting, eating, no, writing. Then you also have legs that can be seen. Legs you can play, you can kick, you can fight with the legs, you can dance. Is that right? Yes, you are doing it every day in the school. Now the school is not open, not there, you are not going to school, but still you are doing it, na? Yes. So these are all called external parts that can be seen by everyone. Now internal parts also are there that cannot be seen. Okay, like for example, the main parts I will tell you: brain, lungs, heart, then stomach. You have all these things inside, you cannot see. So the brain help us to think. We are thinking because of the brain. It controls our whole body. Now, for example, lungs. Lungs help us to breathe. They supply oxygen to our body. Now, heart. Heart pumps blood to the whole body. Okay, whole body. Then stomach. Stomach helps in digesting the food we eat. Bones give shape to our body. There are 206 bones inside our body. The framework of bones inside our body is called skeleton. Skeleton, you know. So, now you understood what is external and internal? I hope you understood. External and internal. External means you can see, visible. Internal means you cannot see. It is inside our body, that is called invisible parts or organs, you can say. Okay. You understood this much? Now, we also have to learn sense organs. Sense organs, my God, they are very, 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 very helpful. Okay, we have 5 sense organs. The sense of hearing, smelling, touching, that is the skin, tasting and seeing. Okay, the 5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Again I will say you, eyes we can see, through eyes we can see the whole world. Ears we can hear everything. Whatever anybody says we can hear. Nose we can smell, good smell or bad smell. Tongue we can taste. Okay, and skin we can feel. When you touch, you can feel. These are called 5 sense organs. Okay, you understood now? Sense organs. Now 3 things I taught you. The external parts or internal parts and sense organs. Okay, understood? Now, what you should do is start. You read the lessons properly. Take the help of your parents there. Understand it. If you don't understand, you can also approach me again. Okay. I have already sent you one more video, but still I wanted to come face to face. So again I am sending this video for you. And homework is like you have to read the lesson. Okay children. Thank you. Have a nice day.